Money Mindset Reset 30 Days Challenge. Why mindset matters. Here's the truth. Before you fix your money, you need to fix your mindset. And in just 30 days, you can rewire how you think about spending, saving, and earning. Welcome to the 30-Day Money Mindset Reset, presented by Crazy Cash Flows. Day 1 to 3. Awareness Audit. Step 1. Awareness. For the first 3 days, track every dollar, rupee, euro, or coin you spend. No judgment, no fixing, just pure awareness. You can't change what you don't measure. Day 4 to 6. Spending filters. Next, apply the need versus want filter. Before every purchase, ask, do I really need this? You'll be shocked how many expenses disappear when you add this simple pause. Day 7 to 10. The 24-hour rule. Impulse buys are mindset killers. For the next few days, try the 24-hour rule. Want to buy something? Wait a day. Most times, the urge vanishes, and your savings grow. Day 11 to 13. Money Affirmations. Mindset reset means reprogramming your brain. Speak money affirmations daily. I control my money. I create opportunities. I attract wealth. It feels silly at first, but it rewires how you see money. Day 14 to 16. Budget Blueprint. Now, build a simple budget. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving or debt. It's not about restriction, it's about direction. Day 17 to 19. Kill a bad habit. Pick one bad money habit and cut it. Maybe it's smoking, endless subscriptions, or daily fast food. Kill one leak and you free up instant wealth. Day 20 to 22. Side Hustle Sprint. Use this week to plant a side hustle seed. Try freelancing, online gigs, or selling something small. Even one extra income stream shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Day 23 to 25. The Investment Spark. Learn the basics of investing. Open an SIP, ETF, or retirement fund. Start small. Even $1 or 100 rupees a day. It's not the amount, it's the habit that resets your money future. Day 26 to 27. Gratitude Shift. Money isn't just numbers, it's perspective. For 2 days, practice gratitude. Write down what you already have. Gratitude turns scarcity into sufficiency, and sufficiency into surplus. Day 28 to 29. Future Vision. Now, visualize your financial future. Where do you see yourself in 5 years, 10 years? A clear vision gives your money a mission. Day 30. The Reset Complete. Day 30. You've tracked, saved, affirmed, invested, and visualized. Your money mindset is reset. From now on, every dollar, rupee, and idea works harder for you. The reset isn't the end. It's your new beginning. Would you try this 30-day money mindset reset? Comment below and share your journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because more Stickman hacks are coming to grow your cash flow.